Draw a rough figure and write labels approximately to illustrate each of the following. OP and OQ meet at O. Now these are the two lines OP and OQ. They should meet at a point O. So the rough figures looks like this. It has a common point O. XY and PQ intersect at point M. Here intersection means meeting. Here XY is given as ray and PQ as line. Here line and ray meet at a point M, that is intersect at point M. Next question. Line L contains point E and F but not point D. Here is given line L, so it should contain a point E and a point F but not D. D should be away from the line. Our next question, point P lies on AB. Here in the question, he did not mention whether AB is a line or line segment or a ray. Let us consider AB as a line segment with endpoints A and B. So this is a line segment with endpoints A and B, and P lies on AB. In figure 2.6, name 5 points D, E, O, C and B. So these are the 5 points D, E, O, C, B. Now the second part of the question, name a line. By definition, a line is a straight path which goes endlessly in both the directions. Carefully observe the figure 2.6. You can find that after D there are no other points and after B there are no other points. That means after D the straight path is going endlessly and after B the straight path is going endlessly. So clearly DB makes a line. Our third part, name 4 rays. By definition, we know that a ray has one endpoint and the other end goes on endlessly. Here, OB is a ray, OC is a ray, OD is a ray, and OE is a ray. For all these rays, O is the starting point. Our next part, name 5 line segments. OB is a line segment, OC is a line segment, OE is a line segment, OD is a line segment, and DB is a line segment. Here is a ray OA. It starts at O and passes through the point A. It also passes through point B. Can you also name it as OB? Why? The answer is yes. Because as per the definition of a ray should have one endpoint or a starting point and the other end should go on endlessly. Here O is the starting point or an end point and the other end is going endlessly. As we carefully observe, the ray is already formed with O as the starting point and other end going endlessly. Now A and B are just a points on a ray. So when we can write OA, we also can write OB because A and B are just a points on a ray. Now second part, can we write ray OA as ray AO? Why or why not? No, we cannot write OA as AO because OA means O is the starting point and A is the other point on a ray. When we write AO, then A should be the starting point and O should be a point on a ray, which is absolutely wrong in this case. So we cannot write ray OA as ray AO.